Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Need a temporary email address for a one-time verification or to sign up for a service without giving away your real email? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to get a free temporary email address in just a couple of seconds. Perfect for receiving one-time passwords, OTPs, or for any situation where you need a disposable email. Let's get started. Open any browser and search for the tag Temp Mail. Then open the official Disposable temporary email website. Just wait for a few seconds. It will automatically generate a temporary email address for you. Here is the address. Copy that email address. Then, open any website where you want to verify your email with an OTP. Right here, paste the temporary email address and click Continue. Now a 6-digit OTP is sent to that email ID. Then click on the Temporary Email tab and scroll down to access the inbox. Here you can see the inbox, and you can also see the login OTP from that website. Enter that OTP and confirm it to log in. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.